Master warning, master caution, auto flight, autopilot off.
I have controls and communications.
You have control and communications.
Removing thrust lock.
Check.
FMA blank. Map not available. FMGC 1 timeout.
On my side, FMA blank, map not available, FMGC 2 timeout.
Dual FMGC failure.
Check.
Flight directors off.
Flight directors off.
Display flight path vector.
Flight path vector displayed.
Standby navs on. Select navigate required.
Navigate is selected.
Rose VOR. ECAM actions.
Auto flight, autopilot off. Clear?
Clear.
Auto flight, auto thrust off. Clear?
Clear.
Cabin pressure, landing elevation fault. Landing elevation, manual adjust. Landing elevation is manually adjusted. Cabin pressure, landing elevation fault. Clear?
Clear.
Status. Cat 1 only. Inoperative systems. Autopilot 1 and 2, auto thrust. Status clear?
Clear.
ECAM actions completed.
I have control. You have communications.
You have control, I have communications.
FCOM 4. Check FMGC reset procedure.